In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Figma. Logging out might seem like a tiny detail, but it's actually really important, especially if you're using a shared computer or switching between multiple accounts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to sign out safely and cleanly, so you know your designs and account are secure when you're done working. First, make sure you're already signed into Figma and looking at the main Figma interface. This could be your recents page, your projects, or any file view. What we're looking for is your profile area, which is where the logout option lives. At the top of the screen, look toward the upper left area of the Figma window. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your account, this might be your profile picture, your initials inside a colored circle, or a generic avatar icon. This icon represents your account and is the main doorway to your personal settings and account actions. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click it once. When you do, a small menu will appear. This menu usually includes items like account settings, team settings, and options to switch between different accounts or workspaces if you have more than one. Take a second to let that menu fully load so you can see all the available options clearly. Within that menu, look for the option labeled Log Out. It's typically near the bottom of the list. Once you've found it, make sure you're ready to end your current session, because after this step, you'll be signed out and taken back to the Figma login screen. When you're ready, click on Log Out. Figma will close your active session and redirect you to the sign-in page. This confirms that you've successfully logged out. If you no longer see your files or team spaces and instead see the option to enter your email or continue with a sign-in provider, you're fully signed out. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or application window after logging out, just to add an extra layer of privacy. And if you need to log in again later, simply return to the Figma website or open the Figma desktop app and sign in as usual. That's all there is to it.